Now in this video we will see about gear design. Now for uniform discharge, the two gears should be of equal size that can be used in the gear pump so that we will get a uniform discharge. Next, because of the equal size, there will be control on the bearing load and better loading on input and output shaft. So this is the benefit of equal gears. Next, for a gear profile selection, it can be done like we can choose involute or stub teeth. Now, generally the stub tooth profile is widely used because the parameters like pressure angle, type of gear, etc. assumed as per the need. Now, for pressure exceeding 200 bar, helical gears are used, whereas the spur gears can be used for pressure below 200 bars. So the precision cut gears can be selected with the stub profile and SN gearing type of mesh. Next, the gears are precision cut, accuracy of a gear manufacture, noise level, and the bearing type determines the allowable maximum speed. The loss in the inlet pressure due to centrifugal action is also considered when designing gears of the gear pump. The gear should have a provision for the trapped liquid to go to the delivery site. So these are the few things those are required. Next, to design the drive unit, the standard motor speeds are considered like 720 rpm, 960, 1440, 2880 rpm. More speeds is used for controlling the size but difficult to select a bearing. Mechanical, volumetric, hydraulic efficiencies are required to be assumed from the standard range of efficiencies. The motor power can be found out by using discharge, pressure, and efficiency values. By assuming service factor, the standard motor selection can be done.